Welcome back, my dear students. In this video, we are going to solve a sum based on the equations which we have seen in the previous three videos. Any method you can adopt. As I've told you, direct method is not commonly used. The most appropriate method which we are using in case of regression equation is either arithmetic mean method or assume mean method. Arithmetic mean method you will be using uh, when the arithmetic mean you are getting in round figures. जब आपको round figures में नहीं मिलता है, at that time you can make use of assumed means. ठीक है? Let us see which method we are going to use. uh, what method we are going to use here. The following, whatever method you are using, you will be getting the same answer. No worry in that case. Okay, so the following data relates to the score obtained by 5 salesmen of a company in an intelligence test. It's not 5, it's 9 salesmen of a company in an intelligence tester and their weekly sales in 1000 rupees. So these are the 9 salesmen named from A, B, C till I. This is first variable intelligent. Let the first variable be X and let the second variable be Y. Okay. So these are the variables which is being given and weekly sales is also being given. So what you have to find out is you have to find out the regression equation of sales on intelligence test. Sales means what? Y. मतलब यहाँ पे क्या पूछा गया आपको? आपको y on intelligence test score x है, तो यहाँ पे आपको निकालना है the first question you have to find y on x, regression equation of y on x. मतलब x on y on x दोनों निकालने का जरूरत नहीं है. The question which is being asked, that only you have to find out. Okay, so let us check the second one. What it is being asked? If the intelligent test score of a salesman, यहाँ पे क्या दिया हुआ है? अगर x given है तो what is the value of sales? सेल्स मतलब वाई, वाई क्या रहेगा, तो यही आपको निकालना है. मतलब in case of this you have to find out the value of y if x is given. Let us see, let us do the same. ठीक है, क्या लिखेंगे आप? कंप्यूटेशन ऑफ रिग्रेशन इक्वेशन, मैं शॉर्टकट लिख देती हूँ. रिग्रेशन इक्वेशन ऑफ y on x. What is y? Y is weekly sales and x is your intelligent test score. So first of all you have to mention that let the intelligence test score be x and weekly sales be y. ये आपको mention करना है without fail. Okay, this you have to mention. So now let us go for making the table. I'll just go, we can go for inserting table, right? Wait a second. Yes, let us find out which method we are going to adopt. First of all, I'll find out the value of x and value of y, total value of x and total value of y, right? So let us see what is total value of x and total value of y. You have to total it, right? So now we are going to decide which method we are going to adopt. As I've told you, direct method is not that used. Since it is 2 digit, it is better either to go for arithmetic mean method or assume mean method. Okay. If arithmetic mean, if you are computing and you are getting like, यहाँ पे आपको क्या निकालना है? You have to find out the regression equation. You see, sales or intelligent test. As I've told you, you have to find out regression equation of y on x. Let me write down. You have to find out the regression equation of sales, है ना, of sales, that is y on intelligence test score. Intelligence, the way it is being asked in the question, in the same way I'm writing, making a note of it. Okay, regression equation of sales on intelligent test score. Yeah, simply we can say regression equation of y on x. It is y on x. What is your formula of regression equation of y on x? The formula is y minus y bar is equal to y standard deviation x, x minus x bar. This is your formula, right? Whatever, you have to compute the mean. Let us compute the mean for both mean x, mean of x and mean of y. दोनों हम निकाल लेते हैं, उसके बाद we will decide which method we are going to adopt. Okay, so for finding out the mean you have to know the value of x and the value of y. ठीक है, सबसे पहले हम डिसीजन लेंगे कि which method we are going to adopt. So in order to find out the value of x, the total, you have to total it, find out the total. एंड टोटल इज 540. आप टोटल कर लीजिए विद द हेल्प ऑफ कैलकुलेटर. एंड टोटल ऑफ y इज 450. ठीक है, 9 है तो ऑटोमेटिकली कट रहा है, तो हम क्या मेथड यूज करेंगे? वी आर गोइंग टू यूज एज्यूम मीन, एक्चुअल मीन मेथड. ठीक है, एक्चुअल मीन मेथड हम यूज करेंगे. ओके, सो लेट अस राइट डाउन x बार इज इक्वल टू समेशन ऑफ x डिवाइड बाय n. कितना है? 540 डिवाइड बाय n इज 5. ठीक है, तो विच इज इक्वल टू 59. ठीक है, 540 डिवाइड बाय 9, तो 9 6 54 हो गए. ये निकालेंगे समेशन ऑफ y डिवाइड बाय n विच इज इक्वल टू 450 डिवाइड बाय 9. तो दिस इज सिंपली 50. तो आपका x मीन कितना आया? मीन इज योर 60, y इज योर 50. सो वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द वैल्यू ऑन द बेस ऑफ दिस. ठीक है, लेट अस गो फॉर फाइंडिंग आउट द वैल्यू. तो यहाँ पे आपको निकालना है स्मॉल एक्स स्क्वायर, स्मॉल वाई स्क्वायर एंड एक्स वाई. ठीक है, what method you are going to adopt? You are going to adopt, इसके लिए आप कौन सा मेथड अडॉप्ट करोगे? You have to find out the value of this, that is regression coefficient of y on x, which is equal to summation of xy divided by summation of x square. तो ये दोनों वैल्यू आपको निकालना है. ठीक है, अभी जनरली आपको वाई स्क्वायर नहीं निकालना है, इवन दो टेबल में आप सारा निकाल के रखिए, इट विल बी इजी फॉर यू इन केस इफ द अदर थिंग इज बीइंग आस्क्ड. ओके, सो यहाँ पे आप लिखोगे x माइनस 60. कितना था ये? दिस इज योर 60. ओके, x माइनस 60, यहाँ पे y माइनस 50. राइट, सो यहाँ पे वैल्यू लिखिए. 50 माइनस 60 इज माइनस 10. 60 minus 60 is 0. Again, it is minus 10. It is 0. See, 80 minus 60 is plus 20. Again, 50 minus 10. 80 plus 20. 40 minus 60 is minus 20. And 70 minus 60 is plus 10. So when you total it, whenever you are taking the deviation, it will be 0. यहाँ पे भी क्या आएगा? 0 आएगा, आना चाहिए. ठीक है, after finding out, just check it out. This is your 100, 0, 100, 0, 400, 100, 400, 400, 100. So summation of x square is 1600. 1600. ठीक है, so now you have to find out y minus 50. Find out y minus 50. 30 minus 50 is minus 20. 60 minus 50 is plus 10. 40 is minus 10. 50 minus 50 is 0. 60 is plus 10. 30 minus is minus 20. 70 minus is plus 20. 50 minus 50 is 0. 60 minus 50 is plus 10. ठीक है, this will be your 0. Now double it. 400, 100, again 100, 0, 100, 400, 400, 0, 0. Not 0. This is 10, no? Plus 10 means 100. Summation of y square is equal to 1600. Now find out what is xy. This value and this value. Minus 10 into minus 20 is plus 200, 0, 100, 0, 200. प्लस नहीं लिखने से भी चलेगा. 200, 400, 0 and 100. So summation of xy is equal to 1200. Just make a note of this so that you can put this in the equations, right? So this is your equation. You see, मैं यहाँ पे कर देती हूँ. ठीक है, यहाँ पे मैं कर देती हूँ. y minus y bar. Y minus y bar is कितना? What is the value of y bar? Y bar is your 50 is equal to ये वैल्यू आपको निकालना है. समेशन ऑफ एक्स वाई कितना आया था आपका? देखिए, चेक करिए. एक्स वाई इज 1200. 1200 डिवाइड बाई 1600. 1200 डिवाइड बाई 1600 which is equal to 0.75. 0.75. So you have to write down here 0.75 x minus 60. ठीक है, x minus 60. तो y minus 50 is equal to 0.75 x Multiply this, you will get 45. ठीक है, so therefore y is equal to 50 other side में जाएगा, it will become plus, it will become plus, मैं लिख देती हूँ पूरा values, I'll write first 45 plus 50, y is equal to, इसको करने से कितना आएगा, प्लस 5 आएगा, प्लस 0.75x. देखिए you got the value of a and b, a का value is 5 and b का value is 0.75. Specifically no need to arrange. Okay, so now what you have to find out is, you have to find out the second question. Second question, what was being given, let us go move on. Second question, if the intelligent test score is 65, what would be the expected weekly sales of the salesman. ठीक है, so we will write down the expected weekly sales, the expected weekly sales if the intelligent test score is 65. Let us find out. Okay, so second question B, we'll write the expected weekly sales, if weekly sales मतलब y, if the intelligence test score is कितना, intelligence test score is 65. ठीक है, ये आपका x है, देखिए x दिया हुआ है, बस इसी में आपको ये चीज को पुट करना है, ये वैल्यू को, ठीक है ना, y is equal to 5 plus 0.75. दिस इज वाई वी हैव फाउंड द इक्वेशन. ठीक है ना, इसी के लिए हमने क्या किया था, इक्वेशन निकाला था. अभी x कितना है, 65 है, तो हमारा y कितना है, ये आप करेंगे तो आपको वैल्यू मिल जाएगा. देयरफॉर y is equal to 53.75. ठीक है, so this is your answer. That's all. Answer for the second one. So likewise, you might be given method wherein you might be given question जहाँ पे आपको क्या नहीं दिया रहेगा. हो सकता है there is a possibility that you may not be given um, that arithmetic mean in round figure, so at that time you can make use of assume. देखिए arithmetic mean यहाँ पे round figure है, जब round figure नहीं आता है तब आप क्या यूज कर सकते हो, assume mean method, you can make use of that. Okay, so I am sure that you are clear with this sum. Thank you.